What do you buy for the DJ who has everything as a gift? Well, when we went to stay with DJ Jazzy Jeff to film our DJ training courses with him, that was a question we asked ourselves, and this was one of the answers we came up with. It's a limited edition art print of a Gemini PMX mixer from back in the day, not just any old mixer, but the Jazzy Jeff edition, one that they produced with his name on it. And this is made by a friend of mine, a guy called Mark Settler, who used to run Scratchworks, trivia lovers, but now he runs a company called Worxlab, making this kind of print. So there's not only that, but he's got lots of other OG gear. These are 3 classic Vestax mixers from back in the day. Here are some Sennheiser HD25 headphones, still made of course, but if Technics are the original turntable, still loved now, then these are definitely the original headphones, still loved now. How about this? This is the Allen & Heath Zone 96 mixer. We love these so much that we didn't only get them for Jeff, but we got all of these ones framed to go up here, and they've just arrived. I've just got them here now, all ready to go on our wall. I thought it would be remiss of me not to show them to you before we actually hang them, because when we do, you'll never see them again because they're the other side of the cameras in our studio. I think they're lovely. Mark has spent so much time drawing these. It's a real passion play for Mark. He's gone down to every little detail, and where the originals have got flaws and have got measurement errors and have got slight imperfections in the typefaces and so on, Mark's gone right ahead and reproduced it. They're really very faithful reproductions, and they're all, as you can see, literally larger than life. I think they're wonderful. So if you're interested in getting one of these for the DJ in your life, i.e. yourself, go check out Mark's website at worxlab with an x.com. There's a link underneath here. And as I say, we're very pleased to have some of these for our own studio, never mind to buy as gifts for our favourite DJs as well. So I recommend taking a look at them. You wouldn't be disappointed. They are limited edition art prints of classic DJ gear from Worxlab in the UK. Check them out. Meanwhile, from me, Phil, here in the Digital DJ Tips Lab, get good, get out there, make the moments. We'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.